Are you over-cleaning? Why more isn't always better? That streak-free shine might actually be damaging your home. Those disinfectant wipes you're using on every surface multiple times a day? They're stripping away protective finishes and could be harming your health. Studies show that over-sanitizing environments can actually weaken immune systems, especially in children. And constantly using antibacterial products? It contributes to creating superbugs resistant to cleaning agents. Your beautiful wooden furniture loses its natural oils when cleaned too frequently, leading to cracks and premature aging. The secret isn't more elbow grease, it's strategic cleaning. Focus on high-touch areas like doorknobs and countertops. For most surfaces, simple soap and water work just as effectively as harsh chemicals, without the damage. Professional cleaners understand this delicate balance. We know exactly which products to use on each surface, how often, and in what concentration. That's the expertise that protects your home while keeping it beautifully clean. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6000-332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com.